we have to find the limit as x approaches 1 of this function. So let's see what will be when we replace x's by 1. We will have in numerator 1 to power c minus 1. 1 to any power is 1. So we have 1 minus 1 is 0. We have 0 in numerator, and in denominator we will have the same situation because we have 1 to power d is 1 minus 1 is 0. So when we have indeterminate form 0 over 0 or infinity, positive or negative over positive or negative infinity, we can use L'Hopital's rule to find the limit. When we use L'Hopital's rule, we have to calculate the derivative of numerator and derivative of denominator. So this is equal. We have to copy first the limit as x approaches 1, and we have power function. Derivative of power function, let me remind you, when we have x to power n derivative, this is equal n times x to power n minus 1. So in our case, we have to take down c times x to power c minus 1. And derivative of constant number is 0. We don't have to write. Next, we have to find the derivative of function which is in denominator. We have x to d. So we have to take down d times x to power d minus 1. And we have derivative of constant, so it's 0. We don't have to write. Now we have to check if we can replace x's by 1. When we replace x by 1 in numerator, we will have 1 to power c minus 1 is 1. C times 1 is c. So we have c. And in denominator, we have 1 to power d minus 1 is 1. And 1 times d is d. So this is my solution.